if you are any kind of landlord, whether it's like in my case a bunker or whether it's an above ground property, eventually you will want to do some kind of electrical work. And in this case, rather short than long, you will be dealing with this kind of wire, and particularly you want this way for it to look. And this Weicon tool stripper is a tool which I bought for like 20 euros. This is like 18-20 euros with tax. And I've been very happy with it. And so I wanted to show you what it actually all is about. You see here on top of the box, of course, those Muppets. They couldn't refrain from putting a statement that it's a good decision. Well, I don't know if it's a good decision yet. But here is what you actually get for your money. So we see here we've got this guy here, top, stripper number 100, and here we have this little snout. And essentially the thing really does write what it says on the tin. When you want to strip a wire, I mean, of course it requires a bit of dexterity, but basically you put it in here or the other way around like this, but in this case you should be careful because it has to be all the way in, because otherwise you see it doesn't clamp correctly. But then you take it like this, you see here, in you go, and then you just turn it around a little bit. And it couldn't be easier. I mean, it's a demonstration effect, of course, but you see, it couldn't be easier. I mean, here I damaged it a little bit, but if I would be doing it normally, it's super simple and very, very easy to strip the wire. And a second thing, sometimes you have a situation where both ends of the cable are not accessible anymore. So like this, but you want to strip here. And for this, the wire stripper also has a second mode. It has this knife here. And with this knife, you can take the cable like this, and then you can cut into it. So, and of course, on the tin, they also claim that it's even possible to strip wires with this thing here on the side. But realistically, I never needed this so far, and this is the stripper. And yeah, as for criticism, there is something small. Because you see here, the back is solid. And if you, like me, have a tool wall, it's relatively difficult to mount this thing on the wall. If they would have made a little hole here in the back, it would have been significantly easier to install. And now for the final question. Would I buy this again? The answer is definitely yes. If you currently still fidget around with a knife or a tweezer or some crap like that, definitely buy this stripper. It's, as said, like $20 or so, and it's a great investment, and I would definitely never hesitate to buy it.